we're going to look over the 12 tenses in the English language. Let me introduce to you a little chart that I saw one day, and it was really helpful to me when I first started teaching. So it kind of looks something like this. It's called the tense chart. Now, if you look at it, the way you read it, if you notice over here you got time, and over here you got the aspect. Time refers to either past, present, or future. Or you got aspect, which refers to in which way the speaker views the conversation. Okay, now understanding the tenses of what the 12 tenses are, to be able to understand or to gain the most from this video, it's really important that you know the names of the different verb forms that we looked at in the previous video. Okay, so let's see if you can take a look at this and kind of clear up like all these different tenses that we got. I thought at first, when I first started teaching, I thought it was just present, future, and past, but guess what? There's 12 of them. So let's check them out. So we got, in the simple present, we go present, simple. We're going to use the verb eat. So we say, I eat. In that sentence, your verb is in its base form. Okay? Let's look in the present again. We'll go a step down to the progressive tense. Right there it says, we say, I am eating. Okay? When we say progressive, some books call it continuous. Whether it's continuous or progressive, it means the same thing. So don't freak out if you see that. The next aspect we're going to look at is in the perfect tenses. Okay? So we got present perfect. We say, I have eaten. Okay? I being your subject, have being your auxiliary, right? And you got eaten being your past participle. Okay? And last, in the simple present, in the present column, we have the present perfect continuous or the present perfect progressive. The PPC or the PP, P, which is the tense, that the abbreviation that an old friend of mine put on. But anyways, another story, different class. So in that example, we say, I have been eating. Have been are your auxiliaries, and eating is in your present participle in that sentence. Okay? So now let's move on to the past tense. We go with I ate, I was eating, I had eaten, and I had been eating. Okay? Had is your auxiliary, obviously, in the past of the verb, your auxiliary had. Now let's move on to the future. For all intents and purposes, here we're going to use the auxiliary will. Although we could normally also use for the future going to. But we'll talk about that a little later. So we say, I will eat, I will be eating, I will have eaten, I will have been eating. Okay? And I know a lot of you guys are going to say, when will I say I will have been eating? With the verb eat, it's kind of weird, but you know, normally with these tenses, you're going to normally use it with another clause, such as sleeping. By the time I get home tonight, the baby will have been sleeping for 2 hours. Okay, so you're referring to an event in the future to another event in the future. But we'll talk about that a little bit later when we get to the present perfect tenses and we look at this a little bit more in depth. Okay, that's it for today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.